Hello dear students, welcome back. In our previous lecture students, you study our sixth lesson. It's only a matter of practice. In this lesson, you study about a Chinese person who was a great archer. Now today's our lesson name is Be a Writer, part first. What Aisha said. What is it? What is our lesson name? Its name is Be a Writer, part first. What Aisha said. So students, be a writer means आपको writer means who was a great writer, or we said it a poet. So be a good writer. What Aisha said. So now we are going to continue this lesson. The following pictures show a day in Aisha's life. Look at the picture carefully using your imagination. Guess what Aisha must have said or will say in each occasions. Then write the complete conversation in your notebook. So students, do you see this clock here? In this first picture, here is a morning. What time showing in this watch? 6:30. What is it? It is a 6:30. And in this next picture, 9 o'clock. Okay? 9 o'clock. And in this another picture, 10 o'clock. What is the time is it? Its time is it? 10 o'clock. So students, in this lesson, what we do it in this lesson. Here are some questions. Here are some points like hurry up or you will be late. In another picture, I think you should tell the teacher about it. That's not right, Nick. That's not right answer, Nikhil. So here we said it is a conversation. What is it? It is a conversation. First conversation is Aisha and Aisha's mother. Second conversation is Aisha and Aisha's friend. Third conversation is Nikhil and Aisha's teacher. Okay. So in this part, the following pictures show a day in Aisha's life. In this picture, you see Aisha's life's routine. Matlab, it means that students, what did Aisha in the morning? What did she do it in her school time? And what happened with her? So look at the pictures and carefully and using your imaginations. It means we are going to create some imagination thoughts in our mind, and these thoughts are we have to set in this box and to compare it Aisha's life. Guess what Aisha must have said or will say on each occasion. It means here like hurry up or you will be late. So we have to guess it. What will Aisha said it on this occasion. Then write the complete conversation in your notebook. So first conversation is morning time. It is hurry up or you will be late. Okay, students, hurry up or you will be late. Who said it? Who said it? This sentence? It is Esha's mother. Who is? She is Esha's mother. And she said to Esha that, Esha, hurry up. You hurry up or you will be late. Esha's mother said to Esha, wake up, hurry up. If you are not hurry up, you will be late in your school time. So on that occasion, what did Esha said it, students? What did she said it? She said that. So what did you write in these boxes? You have to write it in these boxes. Mummy, can I go back to bed? I am still so sleepy. What did Esha said it? She said that, Mummy, can I go back to bed? I am still so sleepy. ईशा अपनी मम्मी से पूछ रही है, मम्मी मुझे अभी भी नींद आ रही है, क्या मैं वापस सोने जा सकती हूँ? नेक्स्ट कॉन्वर्सेशन इज इट, आई थिंक यू शुड टेल द टीचर अबाउट इट. आई थिंक यू शुड टेल द टीचर अबाउट इट. What did said it Esha on that occasion? On that occasion, Esha said it her friend. Look, Megha, my English book has got torn, and I don't know how is it. What is Esha said to her friend? She said to her friend that, look at Megha, this is my English book has got torn. एंड आई डोंट नो हाउ इज इट. ईशा अपनी फ्रेंड से क्या कह रही है स्टूडेंट्स? वो अपनी फ्रेंड को बता रही है कि लुक एट इट मेघा, दिस इज़ माई इंग्लिश बुक हैज़ गॉट टॉर्न. वो अपनी फ्रेंड को बता रही है कि मेघा प्लीज़ मेरी ये बुक देखो, इसको किसी ने फाड़ दिया है और ये मुझे मालूम नहीं ये कैसे फट चुकी है. सो उसकी फ्रेंड ने क्या बोला उसको फिर? आई थिंक यू शुड टेल द टीचर अबाउट इट. ईशा की फ्रेंड ईशा को क्या बोल रही है कि मुझे लगता है तुम्हें मैम को इस बारे में बताना चाहिए. नाउ द अनदर कॉन्वर्सेशन इज स्टूडेंट्स, दैट्स नॉट द राइट आंसर निखिल. दैट्स नॉट द राइट आंसर निखिल. हियर स्टूडेंट्स, टीचर्स आस्क एनी क्वेश्चन टू द स्टूडेंट्स एंड Nikhil said that I know the answer. Nikhil said that I know the answer, but which answer Nikhil gave it? It is a wrong answer. So that time teacher said him, Nikhil, that's not right answer, Nikhil. What did she say to Nikhil? She said to Nikhil that that's not the right answer, Nikhil. So on that occasion, what did Esha said it? Esha said it, teacher, I know it the answer. It is. What did Esha said it? Esha said it, teacher, I know it the answer. It is 64 or 68. Okay, students. Now the another conversation. Evening time. It is evening time. Here you see a box. Here Esha sat in the hall with her grandmother, and it is a night time, dinner time. That's time Esha's mother, Esha's father and Esha's grandmother taking a dinner. And what will happen at that time? We see it, okay? So this is the evening time. Here, what do you like the program so much? Why do you like the program so much? Esha's grandmother asked a question to Esha. And what is the question? It is, why do you like the program so much, Esha? What she asked to Esha? She asked Esha, Why do you like the program so much? So what is the answer is Esha's? Esha's answer is Granny. What did Esha said on that time? Esha said that Granny, let's watch Disney cartoons. Please, let's watch Disney cartoons, please. So Esha said that her granny, let's watch Disney cartoons. And after that, Esha's grandmother asked a question. Why do you like the program so much? After that, Esha's granny asked a question to her. Why do you like the program so much? Okay, now the dinner time. You must everything that's on your plate. You must eat everything that's on your plate. What did Esha's father say to Esha? He said to Esha that you must eat everything that's on your plate. एशा के फादर एशा को क्या बोल रहे हैं? वो उसको बोल रहे हैं कि तुम्हारी प्लेट में जो भी चीज़ें खाने को रखी है वो तुमको सभी चीज़ें खानी है. एंड ऑन दैट टाइम व्हाट डिड एशा सेड दैट? एशा सेड दैट बट वाई डैडी I don't like carrots and I don't like spinach. I shall not eat. I shall not eat it. What did she say to her father? She said to her father, why? I don't like spinach and carrot. I shall not eat it. And after the night, when Esha went to bed that time, but you have heard that story before Esha. It means that Esha demands to her mother a story. Esha wants that Esha's mother tell her a story. But her mother said to her, you have heard that story before. एशा को कोई स्टोरी सुननी है और उसकी मम्मी उसको बोल रही कि ये स्टोरी तुमने इसके पहले भी सुनी है. सो व्हाट इज द कॉन्वर्सेशन इज? इट इज अ बट यू हैव हियर्ड दैट स्टोरी बिफोर एशा. एंड ऑन दैट टाइम व्हाट डिड शी सेड इट? शी सेड टू हर मदर, मम्मी टेल मी द स्टोरी ऑफ रोड राइडिंग हॉर्स. व्हाट डिड शी सेड दैट? She said to her mother, Mummy, tell me the story of road riding horse. Here are some choosing any one of these events in Esha's life. Write in the form of a very short story. Use the points given below when you write the story. Here students, we have to write a short story about Esha's life. We have to write in this story some incidents which happened in Esha's life. The points are: when did it happen, where did it happen, and who were the people present there. What did each person say? How did they say it? Happily, sadly, or patiently? What did Esha and the other people feel on that occasion? Why did a person do, say, feel what she? It means we have to use these points on this story which is related to Esha's life. Okay students? So students, today this chapter is completed here. We will meet in our next lecture. Thank you.